Question 19. Paragraph 7 mostly talks about A. What it was like to be in Mr. Harley's class. B. How smart Crystal is. C. Why the students in Mr. Harley's class did not pass the test. D. How Mr. Harley doesn't understand Crystal. Question 20. Gabriella assumes that Crystal does not have to work hard to earn good grades because A. Gabriella has never seen Crystal studying. B. Gabriella has seen Crystal cheating. C. She's Asian. D. She has seen Crystal hanging around with other Asian students. Question 21. Crystal believes Gabriella failed previous tests because A. The tests are unfair to some students. B. Gabriella doesn't know any test-taking strategies. C. Gabriella has not studied hard enough. D. Gabriella's teachers would not help her. Question 22. At the end of the story, the reader can make an educated guess that A. Gabriella and Crystal will become best friends. B. Gabriella will be placed in AP classes. C. Gabriella and Crystal still don't like each other. D. Gabriella and Crystal will talk to each other when they see each other. Question 23. Which of the following best describes Crystal's ideas about tests? A. No one should have to take tests. B. Test results can't always be trusted. C. Everyone should take tests more than once. D. Tests cannot give you high self-esteem. Question 24. In paragraph 41, the word ticket means A. A printed piece of paper showing you have paid to enter a theater, bus, etc. B. To be exactly what is needed. C. To be allowed to enter or leave a place. D. A list of people supported by a political party. Question 25. Which statement shows where Gabriella changes her mind? A. You can do that? B. I can make my own 100. C. Where'd you learn all this stuff? D. I see you're staying alive. Question 26. Paragraph 7 talks about the teacher, Mr. Harley. What educated guess can we make about him? A. Mr. Harley teaches several other classes. B. Mr. Harley is a substitute teacher. C. Mr. Harley does not know how to control the students. D. Mr. Harley is not very interested in his students. Question 27. Which sentence from the story shows the reason why Crystal failed her test? A. Mr. Harley distributed yet another worksheet which Crystal completed in less than 20 minutes. B. No, I just read the stuff and answered the questions. C. I didn't answer a single question because the day before the test, I was diagnosed with cancer. D. If I don't know the answer to a question, I circle it and come back later. That way I don't spend 20 minutes on it. 28. How can Crystal best be described? A. Annoyed. B. Friendly. C. Helpful. D. Mean. Question 29. When Gabriella tells Crystal that, I hate it when people like you, who've never had to work hard for anything because everyone expects you to be smart because you're Asian, try to make everyone else look stupid. Gabriella is trying to say that A. Crystal is too confident and stuck up. B. Crystal is someone she wants to cheat off of. C. Crystal is stupid. D. None of the above. Question 30. What attitude did the last two lines of the story show? A. Negative. B. Sarcastic. C. Joyful. D. Playful.